My name is Slagelse Lystskov, and I am a primary landscape fine art photographer. This episode is my first episode, the first of many, and it's also my first YouTube video about the compositions I see with my heart and my eyes in the series of Danish forests. This video is not about technical skills, though I will show you effects in the end of the video. The first episode here is from my local forest in Slagelse, Denmark. So if you like what I'm doing, support me by subscribing and liking my videos. So let's start the journey. I'm in the mood for shooting in the forest. Oh, it's such a lovely moody day. I'm out here in the forest in Denmark, and so it's such a beautiful foggy day. I would like to find a composition for this spot here with these trees. It's raining a bit, so I didn't put my camera off yet on here, and for that reason I actually put my umbrella with me, but I forgot something, so I could tie it to my tripod here. So I think I find a okay composition here. You know, I just put a little bit of path down here, and then I got the trees over here. I think that maybe that will work quite nice. You can tell me what you think down below in the comments. I will go further on. We just started the trip, the hiking for today. Let the adventure begin. I got two very nice captures of this particular area here. I got one vertical and I have made one in the horizontal. I would love to hear which one you prefer, which one is your favorite. I always go after the mornings because the light is special in the mornings. Now I've been hiking for a bit. It's a bit difficult for me now to show you the camera because I have put an umbrella on because it's raining. Lots of rain. From this place here, as you can see, there is this hut down there. I'm not sure how it's gonna work because there's a lot of trees, as you see, all the way around. Trees. So they're not very special, you know. They're not like curves or have some special branches or anything. It's about the compositions here. So I do a composition like maybe like that. So let's see how it goes. Yep. I went into Photoshop on this picture here. I wanted to create some framing work, and there was no branches to find nearby so I could get it in the picture. So on my way home I find another branch, and so I took a picture of that, and I went in to do layer mask in Photoshop to create some depth of fields. And I will show you how to work with layer mask in Photoshop on iPad Pro in another tutorial. All the way back I find this very nice area here with all those orange branches from the oak trees, and here you can make very nice shots if you like. Lift up the camera where you get the top of the trees, and you will have the foggy light, the clean picture, and away with all the branches. I ended the day up would have some very nice captures with me home. I couldn't video cover everything because my phone went out of battery. I will do that better next time. But let me know which one you prefer, which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed my video and would like to support me with a subscribe and a like. And if you like any of my pictures, do remember to visit my portfolio for updates. You will find the link in the description below. I'm already looking forward to show you about the next compositions of Danish forests. And thank you for watching. See you next time.